The sun makes it really hard to see. As you see, I got it laid down already, so we could just throw the mat in here. They do have quite a bit of room. Let me go grab that mat, take a look at that. All right, let's get this out of here, see what it looks like. There's Velcro that goes down. Go this way. That Velcro, you want to lay it in there. It wants to stick. There we go. Looks like it'll have to heat up and relax. Get that Velcro in there, right? Front and do that. Put it up. Velcro in place. Actually, this looks like it should be forward. Certainly does. Let me pull this up and move it, which I don't think it will, because of the back end is where it belongs. Yep. So they do not match perfectly. In the up position it will. Should have been made another 1.5 inches, 2 inches longer to 100%. Now if I put the seats up, it's all going to line up. So let's try that, which I do not like, because when you put it down, it's still going to want to pull on it. After it heats up, if it's going to relax, so you lift the seat and place it where it should be. That's exactly where you have to do it, but it should be longer. I think it just might need to heat up and relax. Right now on a 1 to 10, I'd say a 7. My Santa Fe purchased, turns out the same brand and all. It laid in there perfectly. This one just seems to have a little bit of a issue with the length. Not wanting to, it's as if it's not long enough. We'll give it a day and see what it does with the heat. You can see it fits pretty well. This needs to lay down. It is tight up against there. Good fit. here kind of needs to relax.